Hi, I'm Sanchita Ghosh, history teacher and aspiring Google certified trainer. Join me on my journey with Google. I started out using Google Apps with my students in the classroom, but soon I found myself sharing my knowledge and ideas with my colleagues. In 2016, our school adopted G Suite for education. There has been no looking back since then, and I have conducted large group sessions and one on ones both within and outside school. My biggest break came when I presented at the International ICT Forum organized jointly by UNESCO and NCERT, partnered by Google. All this could not have been achieved without my tech partners at Sanskriti School. I want to be a Google for Education certified trainer for greater credibility and opportunities to make more people googly like me. Let's see how forms, sheets, and autoCrat can help you with automated responses and certifications. If you have conducted a workshop and want to automatically certify the participants, open your feedback form and go to the response sheet. Click on Add-ons in the menu bar and select Get Add-ons. In the box that opens, select autoCrat. Now go back to the add-ons menu and open autoCrat. Give your merge job a name, for example Certificate of Appreciation, and click on Next. Now select your certificate template. I have created mine using slides. Take care to tag the full name field with double lesser than and greater than symbols. Click on Next. Your source data has been mapped to the template. Click on Next. Now set the file type as PDF and output as multiple output or classic mode. Click on Next. Choose your destination folder in your drive and click on Next. Points 6 and 7 can be left as they are and click Next. For sharing the doc, select Yes. Select Yes for sending the email. In the email ID field, tag the email ID with double lesser than and greater than symbols and type your email template, again taking care to tag the full name. Then click Next. In this section, select Yes for running the form trigger. We can select No for time trigger. Click on Save. Now let's test whether autoCrat has done its job. We'll go back and fill the form and submit. The auto response in the sheet will be triggered by this submission. Let's submit. Go back to the sheet. And there it is. Now let's go to our mailbox and open the email that has been triggered by the form submission. Voila! And here is your certificate.